Number 1.
1982 Chevrolet C10, price $4,500, shows 72,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking red exterior over a brown interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by a reliable 350 SBC engine. The truck comes with a clean title and is noted to run and drive well, having received extensive maintenance and upgrades. The owner includes the matching fourth wheel, the original rear bumper, and the additional door panel, along with a new set of chrome spike lug nuts and 2 cans of bed rhino liner. Recent replacements and upgrades include the dipstick, radio, vacuum advance, PCV valve, plugs, wires, distributor cap, ignition coil, rotor cap, headers with wrap, a full exhaust system, fuel pump, valve covers, thermostat and housing, water pump, aluminum radiator, radiator fan, fan clutch, oil pump with shaft and pickup, fuel filter, heater core, belts, and gaskets. Interior enhancements feature a new dash cover, while exterior upgrades include LED headlights and taillights, a phantom grille, roll pan rear bumper, auxiliary fans wired to a switch, and new side markers.
Number 2.
1986 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,000, 4x4 pickup that captures the rugged appeal of the square body era. With 87,000 miles on the odometer, it has plenty of life left and showcases the durability these trucks are known for. Under the hood, it is powered by a 350 small block engine paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission, delivering dependable performance both on and off the road. The exterior is finished in blue, complemented by a matching blue interior that highlights its vintage charm. Running on gasoline, this truck starts easily, drives well, and feels solid for its age. Overall, the 1986 Chevrolet 2500 is more than just a workhorse, it's a classic piece of Chevrolet history that makes for a dependable driver and an eye-catching cruiser.
Number 3.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,900. It has 114,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a red interior, it runs on gasoline and remains a dependable classic pickup. Everything on the truck functions properly except for one courtesy overhead console light. It rides on rally wheels with good tires and features a newer single exhaust system. The rear driver's side bed shows some small rust spots above the wheels, and there are a few dings and dents scattered around the body. Inside, the cabin is in solid shape but would benefit from a new dash cover and headliner. Comfort and convenience are highlights, with cold air conditioning, cruise control, tilt steering, and the rare power driver's seat, which still works as it should. Both power windows and door locks operate without issue. A new stereo system has been installed, along with remote start, making this truck both functional and enjoyable to drive. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1988 Chevrolet Silverado, price $9,000, well-preserved example of a classic pickup, showing 130,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a dependable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance through its rear-wheel drive setup. The truck still wears its original silver paint, which remains in impressive shape, and the blue interior adds to its authentic period-correct look. Owned by a single caretaker since new, this Silverado carries a clean title with no accidents on record. It runs on gasoline and has clearly been looked after, as both the body and interior show minimal wear for its age. On the road, it drives just as it would have in the late 1980s.
Number 5.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, shows 71,000 miles and is finished in blue with a gray interior. It runs on gasoline with an automatic transmission and comes with its original Monroney window sticker and owner's manual. The interior is in decent condition, though the driver's seat has a tear on the outer bolster and the headliner was pinned by the previous owner after the glue failed. The stock radio works with both cassette and CD. Mechanically, it runs and drives well. It was aligned in September 2025 and has received extensive maintenance in the past few years, including new front-end components, fuel tank, pump, lines, O2 sensor, front brakes, and battery. The radiator, water pump, thermostat, and AC compressor were replaced shortly before current ownership.
Tires have strong tread but are older, and the original rims show minor wear. Number 6.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,250. It has 150,000 miles on the body and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It sports a blue exterior, while inside it features a clean interior, making it a solid representation of a well-kept classic truck. Under the hood, it has been upgraded with a 5.3 LS motor paired with a 4L65E transmission, and the engine itself has less than 10,000 miles on it. A small cam has been added for extra performance, and the truck rides on 2,500 rear leaf springs for better strength and stability. It currently sits on at 4 wheels wrapped in 33-inch tires, giving it an aggressive stance. Included with the sale are long tube headers, ready to be installed for improved exhaust flow and sound. Powered by gasoline, this Chevy blends old-school style with modern upgrades, making it a strong and reliable pickup with plenty of character.
Number 7.
1995 Ford F150, price $5,500, shows 262,000 miles on the body but stands apart thanks to a rebuilt engine and automatic transmission, giving it renewed life and dependable performance. It features a clean white exterior paired with a blue interior, and it runs on gasoline.
Over the years, many parts have been replaced, keeping the truck in good working order and extending its usefulness.
Recently, it was fitted with newer tires, though it will still need an alignment to drive at its best. Despite the high mileage, this F-150 remains a solid and trustworthy pickup, perfect for someone looking for a reliable work truck with plenty of character.
Number 8.
1988 GMC 1500, price $10,000. It's powered by a reliable 5.7L engine with an automatic transmission, finished in white with a blue interior. Comfort features include power windows, power locks, air conditioning, heat, and cruise control. The truck has received extensive recent maintenance, with new rotors and pads, alternator, brake booster, water pump, belt, plugs, wires, distributor, and ignition coil. Nearly the entire AC system has been replaced as well, ensuring dependable performance. An aftermarket tachometer and temperature gauge add a sporty touch, lowered 4/6 inches with spindles, springs, and axle flip, and a fully welded underbed notch. It has a clean, aggressive stance.
Number 9.
1986 Chevrolet Silverado, price $4,300. This truck is a classic full-size pickup finished in a clean white exterior and equipped with an automatic transmission. Offered with a bill of sale only, it is powered by a dependable 305 engine paired with an automatic gearbox that was fully rebuilt in March 2024, ensuring smooth and reliable shifting. The truck also features both cold air conditioning and hot heat, making it comfortable to drive in any weather. Overall, it runs and drives just the way it should, offering a solid and dependable experience behind the wheel.
Number 10.
1989 Toyota pickup, price $6,500, shows 161,000 miles, and is powered by the legendary 22-or engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. Finished in gray inside and out and running on gasoline, it reflects Toyota's reputation for durability and simplicity. Well cared for and recently refreshed, it now has an upgraded Weber 3236 carburetor with electric choke, new rear brakes, an OEM Toyota master cylinder, and a new clutch slave cylinder. A few tasteful upgrades make it stand out, including a Beltec lowering kit, custom powder-coated wheels, and a Bluetooth stereo with new speakers. With a clean title in hand, this pickup is both dependable and unique, a true classic ready for its next owner.